This 2022 Jayco Jay Flight SLX 184BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 21 feet 8 inches in length and features sleeps 5, TV, carbon monoxide detector, refrigerator, smoke detector, LP detector, slide-out, microwave, air conditioning, and 20 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, mid-living area, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Jayco Jay Flight SLX 184BH is 3,460 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.